Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Illustrated Excel 2016 Module 11 SAM Project 1B. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. Setup. Open the provided Excel file and save it with the correct naming format. Ensure the Analysis ToolPak and Solver add-ins are installed. Step 2. Scenario Analysis. Use Scenario Manager to create a Unit Sales Decrease 10% scenario by modifying sales figures in F12H12. Generate a scenario summary report and clean unnecessary data. Step 3. Data Table for Profit Analysis. In the Profit worksheet, create a one-input data table using B12 as the input cell to analyze changes in inflatable paddleboard sales. Format results in currency with no decimals. Step 4. Goal Seek for Pricing. Use Goal Seek to adjust prices in C8 and D8 so that gross profits per unit meet specific targets, $300 for fiberglass, $155 for bamboo. Step 5. Solver for Cost Minimization. On the Yoga worksheet, set E12 as the objective to minimize manufacturing costs. Define constraints for vendor production limits and total units required. Run Solver, keep the results, and save the model. Step 6. Scenario Comparison. Add a new scenario, Vendor's Best, to compare optimized results. Generate a scenario summary report and rename the worksheet to Vendor Scenario. Step 7. Descriptive Statistics. Use Data Analysis tool to generate summary statistics for H12, L12, name the new worksheet Yoga Stats, and format it for readability. Step 8. Final steps. Resize columns, add a heading, save the file, and submit as required. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.